Introducing the new Comfort ES1500 energy-efficient infrared electric space heater. Energy efficiency is the primary benefit of the new Comfort ES1500 energy-efficient infrared electric space heater. It has 3 heating modes to choose from: the Energy Saver mode, the high 1500 watt mode, and the 750 watt mode. But that's not all. It is also strong enough to heat up to 1,000 square feet, and its Energy Star type digital thermostat makes operating it to be a breeze. Amazon.com is currently selling this product at a 43% discount, so you can buy it at only $229.99. It comes with a 3-year factory warranty, and you can also avail of the free shipping option, so you actually save more money. It may be small, but it heats up very well. It's very easy to operate and safe to use, and extremely energy efficient. Find out why the space heater reviews say positive things about the new Comfort ES1500 energy efficient infrared electric space heater. Click on the link below the video now.